Do lesbians have better sex than straight women? According to several studies, the answer is a resounding yes. So, here's what lesbian sex can teach us about female pleasure. Hannah Jane Parkinson at Lady Harm in the 9th of July 2018. 10.29 EDT. Do lesbians have better sex than heterosexual women? Yes. Yes. Oh my god, yes. Women who sleep with women repeatedly report higher levels of sexual satisfaction in surveys and studies than women who have sex with men. A Public Health England survey of more than 7,000 women last month found that half of respondents aged between 25 and 34 did not enjoy their sex life. The percentage dropped to 29% among 55 to 64-year-olds, suggesting that sex for women gets better with age. Sue Mann, the public health consultant involved in the research, said, "Enjoying a fulfilling sex life is important for women's mental and emotional well-being." This is true, of course. Bizarrely, though, when asked about the breakdown of women's sexualities in the study, PHE said it had not collected this information from respondents. Instead, results were categorized by location, deprivation, ethnicity, religion, marital status and age. But previous global research suggests that women who have sex with women are probably more likely to be in the half that did not report sexual dissatisfaction. A 2014 study by the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that lesbians orgasmed 75% of the time during sex, compared with 61% for heterosexual women. The sexual orientation of men, however, did not appear to have much effect on their rates of orgasm. Gay men reported coming 85% of the time, while for heterosexual men it was 86%. A much larger study in 2017 of 53,000 Americans by the Quincy Institute recorded slightly different numbers, but with the same trends. In this instance, lesbians reported coming 86% of the time during sex, as opposed to 65% for straight women. Straight men said they orgasmed 95% of the time. So, where is lesbian sex going right for women where heterosexual sex is going wrong? It's simple, says Matty Silver, a sexual health therapist based in Australia. Lesbian women know where their clitoris is and know what to do with it to get an orgasm. They don't need to show their lesbian partner what to do, which means their sexual satisfaction is higher. There are many men who believe they can give their partners an orgasm by just having intercourse, she adds. That only happens for 20% of all women. They often need clitoral stimulation, or oral sex, for it to happen. It is one of the reasons that many heterosexual women fake their orgasm. Silver says lesbian couples rarely visit her for counseling relating to sexual issues, but rather for general relationship queries, as with any couple. If you guys want to finish the vlog, check the video description for a web link to the full story as always. This is The Imperfect Man and we would love to hear all of your feedback in the comment box below.